And then he said yes.
Number 2, we have the malversation of 612.5 million in confidential funds. I mean, remember Mary Grace Piatos? Number 3, bribery and corruption in DepEd patungkol sa pag-receive ng mga opisyal ng DepEd of lump sums sa ilang envelope each na naglalaman ng libo-libong salapi. Number 4, we have the unexplained wealth and failure to disclose assets. Number 5, we have the involvement in extrajudicial killings with Arturo Las Cañas implicating the Duterte family for Davao drug killing using the Davao Death Squad.
Siya nga ang pasumuno nitong Oplan Tokhang Nung nakaupo siya as mayor noong 2012, inappoint niya si Bato de la Rosa as Chief of Police ng Davao City. Sinabi sa akin ni Bato de la Rosa na nag-craft sila ng panibago ngayong extrajudicial killing na campaign against illegal drug, in which is Tok-Tok Hangyo, meaning Tokhang, mga target personalities, illegal drugs, labi na mga, lalo pa mga gumagamit ng shabu at saka nagbibinta. Sabi niya, kinapan ninyo, ilubong ninyo ang target para ang kaso missing person lang.
At ang panghuli, the more general one being the destabilization, insurrection, and public disorder. I mean, if Trump can get away with it, the destabilization, the freaking incitement of riot and insurrection, why can't Sara?
And even if only one sa mga napili ang nag-stick na kaso laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, it will be quite devastating dahil one count can lose you the ability to run for public office ever again. Kasi kapag na-impeach ka, hindi ka na pwedeng humawak ng posisyon sa gobyerno, whether that be the presidency or barangay kagawad. Pero